Hello everyone, welcome to Harshlytix, a hub for mastering data science and analytics. So I started this channel to help people to help understand data science and analytics in a much more better way. And I am Harsh Prakash, a business analytics professional, and also I have done my MBA in both of these domains, business analytics and marketing. So my job is simple. My job is to make data science easy, accessible, and practical for everyone. So in this channel we will talk about how statistics can be simplified, what type of Excel and other platforms, for example data visualization platforms like Power BI or Tableau or other things, can be used to develop your mastery in those areas so that it can be beneficial for your projects. Then what type of data visualization tools that you need to know, and what type of data visualization charts, plots, or something related to that you should be actually knowing. So I'll also discuss about it. Not only this, I'll also discuss about a lot of concepts that we have in statistics. So starting from basics of statistics to certain areas where you need to know those concepts to make your projects very data driven and better to decision in that way, to help you to make decisions better. So in that case also I'll be helping you out. So yeah, this is just an introduction video for this channel, and yeah, we'll see you soon with some of the trending topics, some of the necessary content that is required for understanding data world and this overall industry which is evolving day by day. So yeah, thank you so much. And if you really like this video, so yeah, please share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell so that you can get updates on whatever the videos I'll be going to post in future. So it will come directly on your notification section. So see you then in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.